Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel. And welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel. And thanks as well for joining me here. Especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. So please, take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I would like to advise you to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Star. This is the current situation. We also have the Five of Wands. This is your challenge. The King of Cups is the spiritual lesson. The Ace of Wands is the past situation. The present is the King of Swords. The future is the Queen of Swords. Wow. The Justice is your attitude. We also have the Five of Pentacles. This is the outside influence. Your hopes and fears is the Ten of Wands. And the outcome is the Six of Cups. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys, to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. Take only what fits in your story, okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is the current energy, is the Star. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or a person who is in the public eye, or you are in the public eye. I feel like you have found the light at the end of the tunnel. After all, the distraction, the chaos, the turmoil, the storm in your life. This is related to the people in the past, the experience you have been through. But you manage to come out in the dark tunnel and find the light in it. And this is your energy. Others of you, you already healed the past trauma, or you are still continuing to heal the trauma and the past. For some of you, you choose to heal the trauma. And that's why you find the light at the end of the tunnel. Others of you, it could also be that you have a sacred insights. The time you were born. I feel like the universe, for some of you, giving you a special talents, and this is a sacred insights. You are advised here to use your special gift from the universe in order to inspire and give hopes to other people. For some of you guys, you have found peace and tranquility in your surroundings. It's because after all the devastating storm that has happened in your life, you manage to choose to heal. And this is finding the light back again in your life. The universe advises you here that you are on the right path. And you need to use these lights in order to enlighten your journey. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a person who is in the spotlight, who is in the public eye. It could also be that you are in the public eye, or both of you is in the public eye. Others of you, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Oh my God, somebody wants to block my throat chakra. This person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius wants to heal the trauma and all the grudges between you and them. Or this person needs healing. For some of you, this is your energy. It could also be that you have a platform in social media and the people inspired you, and that makes you a star. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay, this is the current situation. And we have here the 5 of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary. For most of you, this is your energy. You learn to defend yourself. You don't want to fight with these people who are jealous and envy on you. This group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. You don't want to fight with these people. You are only defending yourself. Others of you, it could also be that this group of people wants to put you in a drama or in a conflict in order to lower your vibes, to harvest your energy. Others of you, this is your feelings. You are having an internal struggle. It's because I feel like there are people in your life who wants to drain your energy, who wants to harvest your energy. And these are the low vibes, energy vampires people. Others of you, it could also be that there are lots of competitions in the nature of your job. I don't know. And these people viewed you as their competitors. Or they are competing on you because you are the star. And this is logic, because this is your energy. Your light is shining bright. And that's why this group of people wants to dim your lights, to compete on you, to put you in a drama and in a conflict in order for you to weaken your energy. It could also be that there are lots of people who are competing on your attention. And for some of you guys, it could also be a group of people and a Leo involved here, because they couldn't believe that your light is shining bright. It could also be that they are collaborating to dim your lights. This is your challenge in this reading, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Remember that there are lots of people competing on you. These are the people who are jealous and envious of you because you are the star. Could be Leo and Aquarius are involved in this competition. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the King of Cups. This is the spiritual lesson. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a matured, compassionate male figure. This person is having an emotional stability. This person is the king of the emotion. This person could be you. For most of you guys, this is your energy because you have learned your lessons. You have gone through with the painful experiences in the past. And that's why you become the control of your own emotions. It doesn't matter if you are male or female, because in tarot, there is no gender. And in tarot, it could also be that the energy is reversal. That's why I remind you to use your own discernment. For most of you, you are having an emotional stability. You are following your intuition. You always listen to your inner voice, and you love yourself unconditionally. If this is somebody in your life, this person viewed you as a very nurturing, loving person. And because of that, this person could be in the past exploiting you. This person could be a Pisces or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And now this person wants to offer you a stability, wants to support you, especially emotional support. This person viewed you as well as a marriage material because you matured emotionally. For most of you, you are the control of your own emotion. This is the spiritual lesson here. You manage to alchemize the painful experience you have experienced in the past. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Ace of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Or you have a fire sign in your birth chart. Could be, not necessary. I feel like there is a new beginning of creative spark here. You have passion and desire, and you are accepting this challenge. This could also be related to a new ideas or love and relationship that will lead you into a platonic and or romantic connection. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are very excited. You have fire in your heart, and you are also energetic, and you want to work your dreams and align with your passion. And this is the past situation. For some of you, you already take an action with this creative spark. It could also be that somebody will offer this to you, or you are the one who is going to offer this to somebody else who embodied the energy of a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the King of Swords. This is the present situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are standing in your higher self because you knew the truth. And you are not scared to tell the truth. You are not also scared to cut off the ties of some people who are playing mind games on you. Those people who are backstabbing you, who are betraying you, who tried to control your life without any reason. Because this group of people viewed you that you are a strong person. These people are weak, and the time they can control you, they believe that they have power over you. And that's why you manage to cut off and detach your energy from this group of people. You look, the 5 of Wands. You are very strong, and they want to harvest your energy. They want to lower your vibes like this group of people. And since you knew the truth, no one can manipulate you. You are strong. You are the control of your own life, and you have also structure. If this is somebody in your life, you are dealing with a person who has an authority, and this person is also a strong person. This person could be a Libra or a lawyer or a person who has an authority. And I feel like this person wants to control you because you are damn strong. If this is somebody in your life, I said, yeah. This person could be a Libra. For most of you, you already knew the intention of this person towards on you. And that's why you are no longer communicating with this person anymore. Because this person tried to manipulate you. Could be a Libra, could also be any other sign. And this is the present situation. The universe advises you here to stay strong, to stay in your higher self and the truth, and be strategic in dealing with this person. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Others of you guys, people viewed you as a cold-hearted person because you give them a cold shoulder. Especially those people who tried to destroy you in the past. And we have here the Queen of Swords. This is the future energy. You look, the present energy is the King of Swords, and the Queen of Swords is the future energy. It could also be that you are dealing with a couple. The King and Queen of Swords. And this couple or partner, I don't know if they are married or not, or they are conniving, both of them conniving to manipulate you. Both of them conniving to lower your vibes because they hate that you are strong, that you are standing in your higher self, and you knew the truth, and you are not scared to tell the truth. This couple or two people conniving each other tried to manipulate you. They are manipulative. If this is somebody in your life, maybe they are partner or couple, or both of them conniving each other to lower your energy because you are damn strong, and they want you to weaken your energy. Because for some of these people, they hate that you're still continuing to tell the truth, the harsh truth. And that's why they are conniving to lower your vibes, to manipulate you, to control your energy, to control your power. These two people, or a couple, because this is King and Queen of Swords, is also a strong person. Maybe they have also an authority. I don't know. Maybe they are also in the public eye. Yeah. That they want to control you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, in order for you to stop telling the truth, because they hate it. They are the haters in your life. Either these are the couple or two persons who are conniving each other. For most of you, this is your energy. You are the king and queen of swords. It's because of what you have experienced in the past. You are tired and sick of all the BS of some people. Sorry guys. Especially those people who are not true to you behind your back. The people who betrayed and mess you up. You managed to cut all the ties, to end up the connection. For some of you guys, you already blocked this person in your social media and in your mobiles. Others of you, you become an intelligent person. It's because of your painful experience in the past, where people are playing psycho war on you. People are bullying on you. People are manipulating you in the past. People are betraying you and playing mind games on you. For you, you are going to tell this couple, either you come to me with the truth and clarity, or you don't come to me at all, because you are very tired of their trickery, of their lies and manipulation. Could also be that you are dealing with either an Aquarius or a Libra. Not necessary. Could also be any other sign. Take only what fits in your story. The universe advises you here to continue stand the truth and telling the truth, because the people needs you. This is your energy. You give inspiration to other people, and you are advised to continue, because the universe advises you that you are on the right path. Don't get scared to tell the truth, because only the truth will set you free. And some people are inspired you as well. Not all people are hating you, or what do you call this? Not all people don't like you because you are telling the truth. You have also a like-minded people who viewed you as a star, because you give them an inspiration and hopes. So keep moving and telling the truth. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, your attitude is the justice. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Double confirmation. The King of Swords is also embodied the energy of a Libra. For most of you, I feel like this is your winning season, because the justice is in your favor. This is the cause and effect. This is like the law of karma. What goes around comes around. I feel like there are lots of people now, especially those people who messed you up in the past, are now receiving the bad karma for what they have done to you. The universe takes over in this scenario to give you the clarity, the truth, and the honesty. And this is in your favor. For some of you, it could also be that there are people in the past who misjudged you, who treated you injustice. And this is the time for you to win, because this is your winning season. What goes around comes around. It could also be that you are having a problem in the court. For instance, divorce or inheritance or any other kind of conflict, which is now in the court. This is related to law and order, the litigation in the court. Rest assured, that the justice is in your favor. And I feel like there are people now in the past who misjudge you are awakened. For some of these people, they have seen the truth and they want to return, to apologize, and to reconcile with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know who are these people in your life, and it's up to you if you are going to give them another chance after all what they have done to you. Because somebody here wants to reconcile, to apologize, and this person already awakened because they have seen the truth. Maybe in the past they misjudged you. Could be that you are dealing with a Libra. Could also be a lawyer. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is your winning season because the justice takes over. And we have here the 5 of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Not necessary, could also be a group of people. And this group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. And I feel like this group of people are now feeling left out in the cold by you because you are no longer engaging your energy to this group of people. You cut the cord. You cut their lies and deceit. You look, Queen of Swords, King of Swords. You cut off too many false people in your life because you are tired and sick. And that's why they are now feeling left out in the cold by you. For some of them, they are feeling not enough because you outshine them. In others of you, it could also be that you have an internal struggle. You feel that you are alone in this world, you against the world. This is a poverty consciousness for some of you. The universe advises you to eradicate these negative surroundings in your life because this is only a temporary scenario and it won't last longer. It could also be that you have experienced a financial loss in the past because of this group of people who betrayed you. Because this group of people in the past normally wants you to be like this, to be left out in the cold, no job, no money, no house, nothing. Everything they will take away from you because they want to see you like a beggar on the street. Yeah. For whatever reason, this group of people or this person, 100% or majority of these people are envy and are jealous on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You look, you are the star. Your light is shining bright. This is the outside influence. They don't want you to have a financial success and stability. You look, there are couples here or partner conniving to block your abundance in order for you to be in the 5 of Pentacles, to land in a poverty because they hate it that your light is shining bright. You are the star. That's why there are lots of competition here. You look, the 5 of Wands. And I feel like this group of people now is sufferings. Maybe they lost so much money. Others of these people, maybe they are paying somebody else in order to destroy you. And now they lost so much money and they are feeling poverty consciousness. Whatever they plan to you backfires on them. Others of you guys, these people or person who embody the energy of Taurus, not necessary, could also be a group of people in the past. They saw what they reap because they tried to take everything from you. They are heartless people. They don't love you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because if they loves you, they won't let you to be like this, to left out in the cold for nothing at all, especially your resources. They want to suck, they want to take everything from you. They are just like a vampires. Even though you are very compassionate, generous, and kind to them in the past. For some of you guys, you supported this group of people with your financial matters in the past. You support them financially in the past, but they are not enough. They are not reciprocating you. They want to take and suck everything, just like a vampires. They will suck your blood and will let you out cold and dead. And these are the group of people in the past. And they're still continuing they're still doing this because this is their goal. And they are pretending that they loves you, but the truth, they don't love you. They only want your money and your energy, your resources, your time. The truth is, they will let you like this, like a beggar on the street, nothing at all. And now you are no longer dealing with this anymore because you are the star. You managed to find the light at the end of the tunnel, and you knew the truth, and you also knew the intention of this group of people towards on you. That's why you are no longer communicating them anymore. You cut off the ties. There are lots of people here, you cut off the ties. You see, swords and swords. Yeah, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. And now they are feeling left alone. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay. And we have here the 10 of Wands. This is your hopes and fears in this reading. You end up supporting this group of people. You are no longer in this energy with the 5 of Pentacles, because the truth and the reality, they want you to be like this, to be in the 5 of Pentacles, to be in the stage of poverty, and you manage to put down the heavy weight on your shoulder, the responsibilities and obligations where people wants you to carry for the rest of your lives, even though this is not your own responsibility and obligation, and you realize that you have your own burdens to carry. And now you put down this heavy weight on your shoulder. You are no longer dealing with them anymore. This is the closure. It could also be that these are the group of people in your family, in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. The same people who wish your downfall. Yeah. For some of you, maybe you are dealing with a Sagittarius or a Taurus. Could also be other sign. And I feel like the universe will give you the reward for your hard work, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Because for some of these people in the past, they are taking you for granted so long. You look, they are taking you for granted, everything with your energy and your money. They don't reciprocate you. All they want to do is to take everything from you, your energy and your money as well. Yeah. If this is related in your workplace, this group of people are laughing in front of you in the past. For some of you, you already no longer in this toxic workplace, because I feel like they are conniving, this group of people in the past in the workplace. includes your so-called boss. They are conniving to give you all the work. Whatever work, they are just laughing. You give that to Scorpio because Scorpio is a gullible idiot. He or she work hard and you give this work, whatever work which is fated for Scorpio, give them all because they are laughing at you in the past. If this is in the workplace, really. And your ex-boss didn't give you or didn't promote you into a higher position, and they never also give you an increase of your salary. For most of these people who are laughing at you, they said, I hear that they said, oh, look at the Scorpio. He or she is an idiot. She's working when in fact, we have the same salary. Others of these people said, she's an idiot because she or he's working when in fact I have a higher salary than her or than him. Yeah. And it could also be that your ex-boss is conniving this group of people. This is not only one. This is more than a minimum of 10 people. If this is in the workplace. And now, you end up this baggage closure. I won't carry this BS anymore. If this is in your family, you end up to support financially with your family because for these people, they are not reciprocating you. They want you to carry the heavy weight on your shoulder, their obligation and responsibility for the rest of your life because they knew that you are very compassionate, you are very generous and kind, and they will say, Scorpio can do that for us. But the truth, they don't love you because if these people loves you, they won't put you in this situation on the stage of poverty. Whoever these people are, they are now feeling left out in the cold and abandoned by you. Take only what fits in your story. This could be the group of people in the past, your friend circle, your family, your co-workers, your ex, who is embodied the energy of a Sagittarius, or in the community. Now that you realize that balance is the key, you are not involving with their responsibilities and obligations. You let them carry their own responsibilities and obligations because you realize that you have your own burdens as well to carry. And we have here the Six of Cups. This is the outcome in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with, normally the Six of Cups is embodied the energy of a Scorpio, a fellow Scorpio, a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Not necessary, could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here having a nostalgia. Somebody here wants to apologize, to return, to celebrate with you, to offer you a cup of love and an inspiration. This person, normally this is in your family. Could also be that you are dealing with the same sign, a Scorpio or a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Somebody here wants to return. It could also be that this person wants to heal the trauma. This person could be unhealed with a childhood trauma. This is more on family relationship. Others of you, you are reminiscing the memories with your family. Or this person is reminiscing the time when you were with them. This group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. They are now reminiscing the better sweet memories with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Because you are no longer dealing with them anymore. You end up the communication. You cut off the karmic ties. And that's why they plan to return you. And they are wishing you to return on them. because they're still believing that you have a generous, kind, and compassionate person. And that's why for some of them, they wants to return because they feel home at you with your energy. This is the final outcome in this reading. The Six of Cups. You put down the heavy weight on your shoulder, the responsibilities and obligation. That's why they are feeling left out in the cold. And now, they want to return, to apologize, to celebrate with you because they are feeling entitled to your success. You already have here the justice. You knew the truth. And no one can manipulate you. But there are still people who tried to manipulate you. And this couple, the King and Queen of Swords, could also be a partner who are conniving. Two people conniving tried to manipulate you because they doesn't want you to have a financial success and stability. What's wrong with these people? Oh my God. And you look, they are competing on you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And clarify me, please, why the justice in this reading. Tell me more about the justice here. The justice is clarified as Quadrat Herausforderung on Disharmony. This is a German language astro cards. This is Quadrat. Quadrat is a square. Yeah. And this is the clarification of the justice. This is Herausforderung on Disharmony. That means challenges in disharmony. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are experiencing lots of challenges and disharmony in this relationship with this person who embodied the energy of a Libra. Or it could also be that you are dealing with a person who has an authority. Could be a lawyer or a person who has a higher position in the state. And it's too much for you with these challenges and disharmony. Could be that Libra is involved in this challenges and disharmony you have experienced in the past. This is a minimum of 4 people involves Libra, because Quadrat is 4 sides. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story, okay? But nevertheless, the justice is in your favor here. These 4 people is going to be judged according to the law of the divine spirits, because for most of these people, they did you injustice. Whoever they are, rest assured that the justice is in your favor, because the universe takes over here to give you your justice, the truth, the honesty, and the clarity. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, why the 5 of Pentacles in this reading. Tell me more about the 5 of Pentacles here, please. The 5 of Pentacles is clarified as the Moon, feelings and subconscious. This is the clarification of the 5 of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Taurus or a Pisces. Could also be a Cancer. Yeah. But normally, you are dealing here with Taurus or Pisces. And I feel like this person is doing shady on you. Somebody here is keeping secrets on you. Or it could also be that the secret was exposed or going to expose in this scenario. The universe advise you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to pay attention to your dreams and the synchronicities, to listen to your intuition, your inner voice, the wisdom of your heart and your body. Because somebody here keeping secrets on you. It could also be that this person wants to reveal their feelings towards on you, the secrets. Either a Pisces or a Taurus. Others of you, it could also be that this person is now feeling insecure. Because the moon could also be a vagueness, insecurities, could also be fear. Because you knew the truth, double confirmation, and you are strong. You are the control of your own life. And now, they have fear on you. They are scared. Especially, they believe that you already knew the truth with their secrets. I don't know who is this person in your life. Possibly you are dealing with Pisces or Taurus or a group of people. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? Clarify me, please. The star in this reading. Tell me more about the star in this reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see. The star is clarified as 10th house, career on air fog. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or a Capricorn. Not necessary. It could also be that you are dealing with a person who is in the public eye. And this person is a Capricorn. Could also be a Capricorn or an Aquarius you are dealing in this situation. And this is related to your career and success. And I feel like this person wants to dim your lights because they couldn't stand your lights. Your light is shining bright. Either a Capricorn or an Aquarius. And they are competing on you. They want to harvest your energy. They want to drain your energy. But you are not competing on them, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are the star. But for these people, you are a treat in their lives. They are competing on you, especially in your career and your success. Yeah. Could be a Leo, an Aquarius, and Capricorn are competing on you. They are jealous on you, especially with your career and your success. And they want to dim your lights. Yeah. This is competition. Jealousy and envy reign in the hearts of these people. Leo, Capricorn, and or Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And clarify me, please. The King of Swords here. The King of Swords is clarified as Saturn. Borders and lesson. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either an Aquarius or a Capricorn. Because Saturn is the ruling planet of a Capricorn and one of the ruling planets of an Aquarius. Could be that you are dealing with Capricorn, Aquarius, or Libra. And I feel like for some of you, you are advised to be strategic. It's because this person wants to cross the borders of your limitations. Even though this person are aware of what they have done to you. Because you put this person a boundaries. Because you have learned your lesson. But I feel like somebody here wants to manipulate you. You look. There are two people who are conniving on you. Because they hate that you are telling the truth. This is the harsh truth. They hate that you knew the truth. They hate that you are strong. They hate that you are the control of your own life. Yeah. Could be that you are dealing with this person, either Aquarius Capricorn, and or Libra. Be strategic. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? Clarify me please the Six of Cups in this reading. The Six of Cups is clarified as the 7th house, love and partnership. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. And this person wants to apologize you, to return, to celebrate with you, and to have a fresh start with you. The problem is if you are going to give them another chance, because somebody here wants to return. This is the Justice, to apologize and to ask forgiveness. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading, and if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.